Welcome to HODL Tutorials, adding HODL to Metamask Mobile app. Select the three-lined hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner. Select Settings. Select Networks. We need to add the Binance Smart Chain network to the Metamask app. Select Add Network. Feel free to pause this video to fill in all of the information. When you are finished, select Add. Select the three-lined hamburger in the top left-hand corner. Select Browser. We are going to do a search for HODLToken.net. Copy the HODL Token contract address. Return to your Metamask wallet. Select Import Tokens. Paste the HODL contract address. Feel free to pause this video to fill in the information manually. When you are done, select Import. Congratulations! You have added HODL to your Metamask mobile app. Thank you for considering purchasing HODL, and thank you for watching this tutorial.